Welcome back to Digital Electronics Visualized. In this episode, we're building our first universal gate, the NAND gate. The NAND gate has an AND gate body followed by a small inversion bubble at its output. Its Boolean expression is written as y equals not A and B, or y equals a dot B all prime. Here is the key rule for NAND logic. Output y is 0 only when both A and B are 1. If A is 0 and B is 0, y is 1. If A is 0 and B is 1, y is 1. If A is 1 and B is 0, y is 1. Only when both A and B are 1 does the output y become 0. To remember NAND logic permanently, simply picture an AND gate feeding directly into a NOT inverter. Whatever output an AND gate produces, the NAND bubble flips it to the exact opposite. NAND gates are called universal gates because you can build any logic circuit using only NAND gates, including NOT and/or gates. They're used in fail-safe shutdown systems and digital memory SR latches. So, 2 inputs, 1 output, and only 1 and 1 makes it 0. That's the NAND gate. Subscribe because next up is the universal NOR gate.